President Draupadi Murmu has expressed the need for expanding the notion of justice among all. Addressing the 74th Human Rights Day celebrations in New Delhi today, the President said that developing sensitivity and sympathy is the key to promoting human rights. She added that if people can imagine themselves in the place of those who are treated as less than human, it would open their eyes and compel them to do the needful. Talking about the initiatives, President Murmu said that the National Human Rights Commission has been making the best possible efforts to spread awareness about human rights.
The fact remains that human rights are a work in progress around the world. At home, however, we can take solace in the fact that the National Human Rights Commission has been making the best possible efforts to spread awareness about them. Now, in its 30th year, the NHRC has done a commendable job of protecting as well as promoting human rights.